Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxing, spoilers, and giveaways. Today is our monthly eyeshadow palette that we are giving away for the month of October, my birthday month. How fun would it be for like Halloween to do the Scooby-Doo retro palette from Glamlite? So every month I do a eyeshadow palette giveaway. So this is our October one. Giveaways are really easy. Be subscribed to the channel. Watch the videos in their entirety. Somewhere in today's video is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know to win your very own brand new Scooby-Doo retro raggy from Glamlite palette. So you must be subscribed in order to win, and it's really easy. If you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun, laid-back group here. If you can do me a favor, hit that bell button, mark it all, and if you are watching on a mobile device, go into your settings. I want you guys to know when I upload. Definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways, because I do them a lot here on the channel. A lot. Who didn't grow up with Scooby-Doo as a kid? I know I did. These two guys were my favorites because they were so funny. Let's take a look at the inside. So it has a little mirror here. And now this is mine, so all the swatches, all the looks, and everything is off of mine. You will be getting your very own brand new one of these. So it's a $35 palette. It is on sale for $10 right now on the Glamlite website. What Glamlite says about it, my notes are on my phone. So I'm looking down. Scooby-Doo and the mystery-solving pal Shaggy bring you thrilling 10 shades palette featuring bold and supernatural shades to create an array of spooky looks. The Scooby-Doo eyeshadow palette features Glamlite's highest performance shadow formula ever. Shimmers and mattes so pigmented, even the villains are scared. It's also cruelty-free and vegan. I've had so much fun playing with this palette. As you can see, it is what is on my eyes today. So what we're going to do is we're going to do some swatches, some looks, talk about it, what you need to do to enter, give you my final thoughts, all that sort of good stuff. So let's go into some swatches right now. Let's do the mattes first because the shimmers are my jam. The shimmers are my favorites, so we'll save those for a minute. So this really deep purple matte, kind of this cobalt blue matte, looks like a split pea green matte, a teal matte, and a deep forest green matte. I mean, look how pigmented those shades are. Look at that. Love it. Okay, let's do those shimmers. I have a light purple, kind of gray matte. This purple matte, this really light lime green shimmer, kind of a sea moss shimmer, and then a teal shimmer. These are so pretty. Oh, you guys, so pretty. So pretty. This one here kind of shifts shades on me. Love it, love it, love it, love it. So here are those shades. I don't know if you can tell. This one here shifts from like a blue to like a purple. It's so pretty. That is the shade right here. That kind of looks blue there. But if you tilt it, see how you can kind of see that purple starting to come through? It's really, really pretty. Let's get into some of the looks. One thing that I love about this palette is, if you look at this, okay, as quads, this here can easily be a purple quad. This here, this four here can easily be a fun go green to purple. You do this here, and it's kind of a, you know, green, lime green look. You do this here and it's a deeper green look. So I think that people look at this and they think, oh, this is so intimidating. But in reality, I think it could be really easy. So let's try something like a easy look for today. I'm going to do like this for of a quad. And let's go into kind of this mossy green here. I'm taking it on our rougher 36. It's great for those with hooded eyes, like all of the Glamlite palettes. It is super pigmented, so just be warned of that. Just go in with a lighter hand if you want a kind of more diffused look going on. And I'm going to take that moss green all over the lid as well. And then I just want to do a little blending here. And then I am going to go into the deeper shade, like a forest green matte here, inner corner, a little bit above. Just going to do a really pretty green look and a little bit, yeah, come down that outer corner a little bit. I know it's a hot mess. We will do some blending and it will all come together. Okay, let's blend that. Okay, let's take this lime green on the inner corner. Oh, so pretty. And let's go into this one for the outer third. I do like a little bit more contrast, so I'm going to go in with this deeper shade in the very outer corner. There we go. Just tiny deepen that up. And then go in with one of the lighter shades and kind of just do a tap, tap, tap to blend the two together. Now with the blank blending brush, I just want to I like bringing some of that shimmer up above my crease just a little bit because I have such hooded eyes. Now you could play it safe and do the same thing, green on the inner corner and do this on the outer corner. I think it'd be fun to kind of, let's tie in some of this blue underneath. And I'm just going to tightline that. And I'm just like very lightly, like tiniest bit on here. And just kind of buff that out a little bit. I'm just going to take the tiniest bit of this lime green here and put it in like the tear duct area. Okay, let me go ahead and put some mascara on and I'll be right back. So here's the finished look. Be right back with my next look. Who is ready to have some fun? I know I am. So I think I'm kind of gonna deal with this quad here and this quad here, doing this on the inner corner and then the purples here on the outer corner. I think it's gonna be very, very dramatic look. I'm gonna go into this dark kind of green matte shade here. Just loading up my brush. It is a rougher 14. And we're doing inner corner. I can't believe I'm putting something so deep here in the inner corner. Then let's go into this blue, same brush because it's deeper shade. Can use the same brush and just continuing along that eye line and bringing it down a little. I think this is gonna look like I have a black eye. It's gonna look like a hot mess for a little bit. And let's go into that dark purple at the very outer corner. I need to do some serious blending. We've got to do some blending. So I had to take and kind of clean up a little bit up in here. It was too intense for me. I do want to kind of mainly play with this blue here and put that underneath. I do want to kind of maybe go in with this kind of split pea green and to kind of bring some green back into the center there. Okay, so with my finger, I think I'm gonna go this in the inner corner, not the very inner corner, because I think I'm gonna use the shimmer, the lime green shimmer for that. But this in the inner corner, kind of the green blue next to that, and then the purples next to that. So let's start with this one here. And go and grab this one. So pretty. Okay, let's grab this purple here. And then I am gonna go into this bright green shimmer right in the tear duct and bring a little bit down. Then I'm gonna get an extra blending brush, nothing on it. Just kind of go in and see if I can bring some of these shimmers up just a little bit, because I have such hooded eyes. I like it when they come up. Okay, let me put some mascara and lips on and I'll be right back. So here's the finished look. Be right back with my final thoughts. So which look was your favorite? I think this one was mine. For as much as I struggled with it, it almost turns kind of peacocky. Love it. Let me know which one yours was in the comments down below. Secret word is Scooby-Doo. You know, for as intimidating as I thought this was at first, I mean, like I said earlier, you could easily do just this as a look, just this as a look, just this as a look. This right here would be a really, really pretty look. I kind of wish I would have done just like that. But it's more versatile than what you think, I guess, is what I'm trying to say. There is some fallout, so make sure to knock off your brushes. You guys, they are so pigmented. They are very pigmented. Go in with a light hand at first, but they are so, so pretty. I love it. I absolutely love the Glamlite formula. I featured them a lot here on the channel. They are just outstanding, especially for the price point. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once, and make sure to put on it your YouTube name so I can verify, yes, you are subscribed to the channel. So you're going to fill out this form in order to enter the giveaway. Now, only fill out the form once, but you can put on that form that you can mark if you did do the bonus entry items, and I'll give you an extra entry into winning the palette. Only mark if you did do them, if you actually did, because I don't want to see you guys get disqualified, because I do check. So your 4 ways are: number 1, go follow me on Instagram. That handle is BeautyAmaB, A-M-A, followed by the letter B. Your second way is if you follow me on X, formerly Twitter, it's BeautyAmaB, followed by the number 1. Your third way is if you follow me on TikTok, it's Christina Marie, BeautyAmaB. And your fourth way is if you share this with your family, friends, on your social media accounts. It really means the world to me when you guys do that, because it really helps the channel grow. And I just wanted a way to get back and say thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. YouTube is no affiliated with this. This is me giving back to the channel to brighten somebody's day. You must be 18 years old or older or have your parents' permission to enter. The giveaway is open internationally. I am not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you. And make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. Now, I do want to draw your attention to where I said damaged. It will leave here in pristine condition. I'm not responsible for what happens in the mail. So this giveaway will go through November 8th, midnight Mountain Standard Time. And then on November 13th, what I will do is I'll take, if everybody's done what they're supposed to be doing on the Google Forms, I'll take first name, first initial, last name, and also with the bonus entries if everybody's done what they're supposed to be doing there. Put those in the computer. We'll all watch the computer spin the names around. The computer picks. I don't, so Don has to win. And then as soon as the giveaway is over, I do go ahead and delete all of those forms. Your privacy is very important to me. I don't sell that information. I don't share that information. I don't create distribution lists. I don't do anything like that. So if you like this video, give it a big like. It really helps out the channel when you do. YouTube will now go ahead and insert another video for you if you have the time. I greatly appreciate you checking it out. Welcome to October. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Take care of one another. And I will see you soon. Bye. Good luck on the giveaway. Woo!